Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can dress up your pet. This is for beginner. I made this video for example for the first time user, the first day of user or gamer. And here we go. In order to dress up your pet, simply click dress up. Now you can show my pet. Click it, and here we go. So here you can add accessories like cap. Currently I just have 3 accessories to use to my pet: bow tie, a cowbell, and hat. So just click hat, and if you want to purchase a different hat or more hat, just click to navigate to hat shop. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.